Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your social studies class. Hope you all are fit and fine. So, in our last video, we have discussed the chapter number 8, all the topics. So, today, in this video, we are going to discuss chapter number 8, exercises. So, I request you all, hope you all have read the chapter. So, I request you all to open your social studies book, chapter number 8, exercises. So, let's start. Today we are going to discuss multiple choice question, answer the following questions, true, false, fill ups and match the following. So, total we have 5 exercises in this chapter. So, all of you open your books, take your pencils. So, let's start. Firstly, we are going to discuss the multiple choice questions. So, in these options are given and we have to select the right option from the given options. So, let's start it. Number 1, choose the correct option to answer the following questions correctly. Which gas is needed by plants to prepare their food? Options are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So, the gas which is needed by plants to prepare their food is carbon dioxide. The correct option is carbon dioxide, C option. Second one, which gas is the basis of life for all organisms? Options are given hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. So, the correct answer is oxygen. The gas which is the basis of life for all living organisms is oxygen. Third one, which is the lowest region of the atmosphere? Options are stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere. So, the correct answer is troposphere. Troposphere is the lowest region of the atmosphere. Fourth question we have, the term biosphere was coined by James Watt, Newton, Edward Swiss. So, the correct answer is Edward Swiss. The term biosphere was coined by Edward Swiss. So, now we will discuss our next exercise. Next exercise is answer the following questions. So this exercise you have to do in your social studies notebook. So let's start. First question is, what do you understand by atmosphere? Why is it necessary for us? The answer is, total mass of air surrounding our earth is known as the atmosphere. Atmosphere is necessary for us because it acts like a blanket that provides a protective shield against extreme heat and falling debris from the space. Once again, the total mass of air surrounding our earth is known as atmosphere. Atmosphere is necessary for us because it acts like a blanket that provides a protective shield against extreme heat and falling debris from the space. Hope you all have understood. This question was regarding that what we understand by atmosphere and why it is necessary for us. The all around the surroundings of our earth is known as the atmosphere, and it is necessary because it provides the protective shield. It protects us from the heat, it protects us from the debris which are falling from space and from the UV rays. So now let's move on to the next question we have. Name the different layers of atmosphere. So here they have asked us that we have to write the name of different layers of the atmosphere. The different layers of atmosphere are as follows: the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, the exosphere. So we have 5 main layers of the atmosphere. Once again I will repeat the names: the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, the exosphere. Hope you have understood. Now let's move on to our third question. We have: write about the features of atmosphere. So we have to write the features of the stratosphere. Sorry, once again I will say the question. Write about the features of stratosphere. Answer is: the features of stratosphere are: number 1, this is the second layer of the atmosphere. This layer is ideal for flying aeroplanes. There is high ozone concentration which protects us from ultraviolet rays. Once again, this is the second layer of the atmosphere. This layer is ideal for flying aeroplanes. This is high ozone. There is high ozone concentration which protect us from ultraviolet rays of the sun. So these are the features of the stratosphere. So now let's move on to our next question. We have: explain the term biosphere. What is its significance? So now we have to tell about the biosphere and about its significances, like its importance. So let's discuss. Biosphere refers to the regions of the earth in which life exists. Now, biosphere is that region of the earth in which the life exists. Biosphere includes everything living on earth, including humans, animals, plants, and insects. Biosphere refers to the regions of the earth in which life exists. Biosphere includes everything living on earth, including humans, animals, plants, and insects. So now let's move on to our next question. The next exercise we have true false. So now let's discuss true false. Read the following statements carefully and mark tick on the true and wrong on the false one. So first one we have: nitrogen is helpful in retarding combustion. Yes, this statement is true. Without nitrogen, it is impossible to stop the fire. So it is helpful in retarding combustion. This statement is true. So we will put a tick on it. Second is, carbon dioxide is the heaviest gas in the atmosphere. Yes, this statement is also true. Carbon dioxide, the heaviest gas, at it is means near the space, not found near the atmosphere. Most of it is heaviest of the gas of the atmosphere. So we'll put a tick. Third one, in exosphere, temperature always remains low. This statement is false. In exosphere, temperature varies a lot. So this statement is false. Fourth one, communication is possible due to the presence of atmosphere. Yes, this statement is true. Communication is possible only due to the presence of atmosphere. So let's move on to our next exercise. We have fill in the blanks. So let's start. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given below, given in the help box: atmosphere, biosphere, troposphere, exosphere. So these options are given. we have to fill the correct option in the given blanks. Dash is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Second one is dash is the highest layer of atmosphere. The exosphere is the highest layer of the atmosphere. Third one, the atmosphere is dense near the earth's surface. The atmosphere is dense near the earth's surface. Fourth one, the biosphere refers to the regions of the earth in which life exists. So I will say all the answers once again. Please listen very carefully. First answer is the troposphere. Second answer is the exosphere. Third answer is atmosphere. Fourth answer is the biosphere. So let's move on to our next exercise. We have, as you can see, the answers on the screen are displaying of the fill-ups. The troposphere, the exosphere, atmosphere, the biosphere. So let's move on to our next. Fourth exercise, we have match the following. First column, we have given the Mariana Trench, the Puerto Rico Trench, air, land, water are found in, meteors burn up in. B column options are the Atlantic Ocean, the Biosphere Ocean, the Mesosphere, the Pacific Oceans. So the Mariana Trench, it is in the Pacific Ocean. Puerto Rico Trench, the Atlantic Ocean. Air, land and water are found in the biosphere. Meteors burn up in the mesosphere. So first D, second A, third B, fourth C. So these all are the answer of the matching. Hope you all have written. So class, do the exercises in book and all the question answers in your notebook. And very important, please do the work in a very neat and clean handwriting. So class, thank you for listening to me. Stay safe, stay at home. God bless you. Thank you everyone.